Dawson City has got to be the most random mix of people on planet Earth. It is incredibly remote and it has a bunch of blue-collar, hard-working gold miners, which bring in a lot of tradies, obviously. And then on the other hand, you have like these free spirit, almost hippie, dippy people escaping reality, living off-grid. And then you have a 100-plus TV crew that are from London and all around the world. So it's a really, really odd mix of people. One thing they all have in common, a lot of the time, is drinking. So it actually has some amazing bars. Like, you can go to Dawson City and get a Paloma and a really good spicy marg. I'm from a very small outback town in Western Australia. You cannot get a Paloma or a good spicy marg. Very different. There's also like 4 fucking cafes here, which is crazy for the size of the town. Maybe more than 4. Anyway, I love Dawson. I co-own a company in Canada called the Northern Gold Club. I'm from Outback Australia. I took 5 flights to get here to launch this business. So come with us. You can come and spend my first day in Dawson.
Okay, it's day 1 of me being in Dawson City. We are launching the Northern Gold Club. Well, it's launched, but I'm here to help set it all up, set up logistics, operations. I've had 5 flights to get here, but we just went into Dawson and Victoria surprised me with Raya. We've just sat down at camp to start work and there's no power and my phone's on 1%. We've got no internet. Yeah, that's okay. We'll make do.
I actually have done this business model before. I own the only raw gold subscription service in the world, yet I still severely underestimated how much work there was to do. And then we keep getting distracted with stories like this.
I looked out my bathroom window and the bear was still there. And so I opened the window and I started yelling at it and I was like, get out of here, get out of here. But it was like, it wasn't spooked at all. It was just...
Was it a black bear?
It was just a black bear, yeah. Okay. And then it was started to walk through the yard and I think it was going towards like the barbecue.
We just printed our first label. Actually, I'll show you. I'll just get rid of that. There you go. So this is a really good job done. We're actually very excited. We are on the ferry. So Victoria, you were saying that during the breakup, which is obviously the time it's going from frozen to not frozen, you can't get across the river.
No, you have to get supplies and plan for 4 or 6 weeks, sometimes long. Like, it just depends on how long it takes.
So for Victoria and I are on the top of the World Highway. So where does this go? It goes from Dawson to
up to the border.
After 2 hours, we got to mining camp. This is where they're mining at the moment. And then we went in the 4B with the kids and we got to see a wolf, which is just insane. You rarely get to see them. You have to zoom in with your eyes. I can't believe I was even recording. And then we had some dinner and had some beers around the fire. It was very fun. On to the next day.